It's not community, it's a family. If you own a Corvette, you're in.
It's unreal. There's so many to look at, so many amazing engines to listen to.
There's every kind of Corvette here you can think of. People are great here.
Especially fun being part of the flags, not just coming to an event, but being part of something as well.
The M1 facility is wonderful, and I can't wait to come back.
Event is amazing. You get all age levels. I love it.
Flag is an amazing thing. I haven't seen anyone else do that. Great track. It's a great time overall.
I think it's a great opportunity to meet other vet owners and other people in the car community.
Love the 70s and the 80s. That's where it's really at.
And it's just so cool to see all the red, white, and blue together.
This event is awesome. Corvettes are honestly one of the most iconic American vehicles.
Showing off our cars a little bit.
Great people.
Everybody's machine, everybody's unique art and what they've worked on.
See people from all walks of life are all united, fun of a common interest of a car.